Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable grid lines on the SONY ZV-1 II. So first, head over to the menu by clicking the menu button. Now, go over to the camera settings and here scroll a bit down until you see the shooting display. Click OK. Now here we have the grid line display and here we can enable it. And now once we go back, here we will have the grid. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.